Welcome. We are solving question from GATE 2014 electronics branch. So it says that consider a common collector amplifier shown. So this is a common collector amplifier. It says that the bias circuitry ensures that the transistor operates in forward active region. So this transistor is operating in forward active region, but the bias circuitry has been omitted for simplicity. Okay, so the bias circuitry is not shown, but we know that the transistor is in forward active region. So we have to find which one of the following conditions. So four conditions are given to you. We have to find which one of the following conditions ensure a nearly constant small signal voltage gain. So what we have to ensure is that the voltage gain is constant. AV is constant. Okay, so the voltage gain must be constant. And we know that the voltage gain for a common collector amplifier, AV is given as GM RL dash upon 1 plus GM RL dash. This is the voltage gain formula for common collector amplifier. Okay, this is the voltage gain formula for common collector amplifier, where RL dash is equal to load resistance in parallel with ammeter resistance in parallel with output resistance of the transistor. So this is the relationship for the voltage gain. Okay, in this question load resistance is 0. There is no load resistance given, only this ammeter resistance Re is given. Okay, load resistance is not given, so load resistance is infinite. So load resistance is not 0, load resistance is not given, so we consider that the load resistance is infinite. So RL dash will be equal to Re in parallel with R naught. RL dash is equal to Re in parallel with R naught. So I can write that here. And generally this output resistance of the transistor is very large. The output resistance R naught of this transistor is very large. So we can write that RL dash is approximately equal to Re. So it becomes AV is equal to GM Re upon 1 plus GM Re. Okay, so we will have two conditions. We will have two conditions. Either GMRE GMRE is very less than 1. If GMRE is very less than 1, then AV will become equal to GMRE. Because if GMRE is very less than 1, then this term can be neglected. This, because 1 is much greater than GMRE, so this term can be neglected. So AV will become equal to GMRE. So AV, the voltage, small signal voltage gain, will become the function of Re. But what we want, the condition is that the condition ensures a constant small signal voltage gain. But this voltage gain will change with the ammeter resistance. So this cannot be true. So option A cannot be true. Now we will take the second conditions. GMRE is very greater than 1. If GMRE is very greater than 1, then this 1 can be neglected. So GMRE, the equation will become GMRE upon GMRE. So AV will become equal to 1. And 1 is a constant. So this is the correct condition. So if GMRE is much greater than 1, then this 1 can be neglected. So AV will become equal to 1, which is constant. So this is the correct condition. So this is the wrong condition. GMRE cannot be very very less than 1. So this is the correct conditions, that GMRE is much greater than 1 and GM is equal to IC upon VT. The transconductance, GM is nothing but the transconductance, it is equal to collector current upon the thermal voltage VT. So GM can be written as IC upon VT into RE is much greater than 1. So IC is much greater than VT, sorry, ICRE is much greater than Vt. So this condition assures that the AV is equal to 1. So option B is the correct option. Option C is wrong option because always R naught is greater than Re. Always R naught is greater than Re. So option C cannot be true. Okay, out of this option only option B can be true, and VB is greater than VT. This is generally true, but this does not satisfy our criteria. This is the true for any transistor which is in forward active region, but this condition does not satisfy our criteria that the voltage, small signal voltage gain should be constant. Only this condition, GMRE must be much greater than 1. Okay, so ICRE must be much greater than VT. Okay, and this condition GMR not can is much greater than 1. This cannot be true in a general way, because in a general way R naught is greater than Re. Generally R naught is much greater than Re. So if GMR naught is much greater than 1, then obviously GMRE will be much greater than 1 as well. So the most logical answer to this question is option B. Option A does not satisfy the criteria at all. Option D is true for generally all the transistors in forward active region, and option C is not possible. So only option B is the correct option. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Also share the feedback, your feedback in the comment box. Thank you.